Incandescent lamp. History. Harper Davey. The first incandescent electric light was made in 1880 by Harper Davey, an English scientist. Harper Davey experimented the electricity at naimbento niya yung electric battery na kung saan he connect the wires sa battery in a piece of carbon at nagpo-produce ito ng light na tinatawag na electric arc. Joseph Wilson Swan. In 1860, the English physicist Joseph Wilson Swan was determined to devise a practical, long-lasting electric light. Dinemonstrate niya din yung bagong electric lamps in England. Mayroon siyang na-observe yung carbon paper filament ay gumagana ng gusto, pero ito ay madaling masunog. Thomas Alva Edison. The inventor Thomas Alva Edison experimented with thousands of different filaments just to find the right materials to glow well and be long-lasting. Si Edison ay mayroon siyang na-discover na ang carbon filament in oxygen-free bulb glowed at tumatagal ito ng 40 hours. Lewis Howard Latimer. In 1881, he improved the light bulb by inventing a carbon filament. Si Latimer ay isang member ng Edison's research team na tinawag itong Edison's Pioneers. Si Latimer's mayroon siyang method of manufacturing carbon filaments. Willis R. Whitney. In 1903, Whitney invented a treatment for the filament. Yung treatment na sinasabi niya dito ay hindi na magiging darken yung sa loob ng bulb as it glows. William David Collick. In 1910, William David Collick invented a tungsten filament which lasted even longer than the older filament. Dito naman is in-improve niya lang yung filaments. And that is how the incandescent bulb developed and revolutionized the world. Classifications of incandescent lamp. Incandescent lamp o tinatawag itong incandescent light globe dahil sa hugis nito. Sa karaniwang makikita ito sa residential area. Miniature lamp. Ito ay ginagamit sa automotive industries to include tail light at headlight at karaniwang ginagamit ito bilang flashlight. Ngunit bihira na lang ito gamitin. Photographic lamps. Ito ay ginagamit ng mga photographers. Working principles of the incandescent lamp. An incandescent bulb works on the principles of incandescent, a general term meaning light produced by heat. In an incandescent type of bulb, an electric current is passed through a thin metal filament, heating the filament until it glows and produces light. Yung incandescent bulb ay mayroon itong tungsten filament na gawa sa spiral turns, contact wires, support wires, glass support, electric foot contact, and glass bulb na nagfi-filled sa inert gas. Incandescent bulb typically use a tungsten filament for its extremely high melted point. Yung tungsten filament sa loob ng bulb ay umaabot ng 4,500 degree Fahrenheit. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit sobrang init ng bulb kapag nakaswitch ng matagal. Yung glass enclosure dito ay nagpre-prevent ng oxygen in the air from reaching the hot filament. Kapag wala yung glass na nagko-cover sa filament, maaari itong mag-overheat. This is an elegantly simple system and it works well at producing light. It's perfect of a wide range of application, cheap and easy to manufacture, and it's compatible with either AC or DC current. Pros of incandescent lamp. It is less expensive due to lowest initial cost, pero hindi ito pang matagalan. It produces warmer color, hindi masakit sa mata. It generates relatively high light voltage. It is easy to install kumpara sa fluorescent lamp. It can be switched on immediately and can be operated at normal voltage. Cons of incandescent lamp. It is energy inefficient, kumbaga hindi quality yung lamp. It has a very short lifetime. Almost 1,000 hours lang siya magagamit. It has a very short lifetime. It is a warm source of light. Kailangan pa ng aircon para hindi magdulot ng sobrang init. It generates low lumen per watts. Yung incandescent lamp, nagpo-produce lang ng 5 to 20 lumen per watts. Kaya mababa lang yung efficacy niya. Fluorescent lamp. History. Heinrich Gessler, in 1856, his work was the foundation for all arc discharge lamp including yung HID lamp. Siya kasi yung kauna-unang nag-aral ng arc tube. Alexandre Edmond Becquerel, first to use phosphor coating in 1859. Ito yung makikita sa glass discharge tube. Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison developed early discharge lamp in 1890s. Si Tesla ginawa niya yung induction lamp at dinevelop niya yung kauna-unang high frequency ballast. And Edison made a lamp that used X-rays. Daniel McFarland Moore developed the first commercial discharge lamp in 1895 na ginawa na Moore tube. Peter Cooper Hewitt, invention of practical mercury vapors lamp in 1901. An electric arc through mercury vapors is the basis. Edmond Germer, first modern lamp, mercury vapor which phosphors in 1926. It is a greenish color due to its phosphor but had a short life. Albert W. Hall, improved electrodes and lamp physics research in 1927. Nag-research siya about sa plasma physics used in fluorescent lamp. Richard Thayer and George Inman. The first fluorescent lamp had real white phosphors and long life in 1934. Sila yung kauna-unang gumawa ng reliable fluorescent lamp, and the Mazda F lamp is first lamp to sell. Edward E. Hammer invented the compact fluorescent lamp in 1976. Ito yung spiral shape na lamp. John M. Anderson improved fluorescent lamp in 1970s to 1980s, gaya na lamang ng dimmable lamp at short arc lamp. Classifications of fluorescent lamp. Regular fluorescent lamp, hugis pahaba siya at kadalasan ito ay ginagamit sa mga factories o kaya sa hallway. Compact fluorescent lamp, ito ay spiral shape at halos kasing laki lang ito ng incandescent lamp. Working principles of the fluorescent lamp. When the switch is on, current cannot pass through the tube as a gas is not ionized condition. In order to ionize the gas, an initial high current, 800 volts to 1000 volts, is required for short interval across terminals. A starter provides a path to complete the current. It switches on and off the current through the shock. As a result, a very high back EMF is formed between the ends of the shock and then BW ends of tube. It heats up the filament which emits the electrons in the tube gas thermo-ionic emission. Within seconds, the current through filament is interrupted, leaving full line voltage applied between filament at ends of the tube. On oxidation, the mercury atom emits light at wavelength of 234 nm, which is deep ultraviolet. The color of emitting light is determined by phosphor. Sa number 1 picture, makikita natin yung filament electrodes ay umiinit at nag-glow siya ng red. The second picture is cathodes. Nagsisimula na itong i-ionize yung argon gas sa paligid niya at magkakaroon ito ng blink. Sa third picture, sa cathode switches to the other side at makikita dito the left side begins to ionize. The fourth picture is makikita natin na both sides are warm. The fifth picture, yung ballast nagpro-provide ng high voltage na halos sinakop na ng buong tube to a high level of brightness. The last picture, kapag yung ultraviolet radiation na hit niya yung phosphor, it makes it glow. And that is what produces lights. Pros of fluorescent lamp. More energy efficient than incandescent lamp. Kasi nagpro-produce ito ng same amount of lumens using lesser energy. Longer operation lifespan. Halos 10 to 20 times longer kumpara sa incandescent lamp. Better light diffusion and distribution. Fluorescent lamp are bigger source compared to incandescent lamp. Less heat emission dahil meron itong efficient energy consumption. Cons of fluorescent lamp. More expensive dahil quality yung efficiency at lifespan niya. Health environmental issues. Kapag nabasag yung bulb, mayroon kasi itong chemical hazards na nakakapekto sa kalusugan.